There we go. Now, I don't normally post anything other than motorcycle content, like repairs and shit and going for a ride. But I did mention one of the videos back in, I think it was March or something. I had had a garage door that I picked up outside of Windsor, and I decided, I was trying to put it up. So last week I got into it, and yeah, it's taken me a while. So I did a 9-foot wide by 7-foot tall door opening. Garage door with a 8-foot wide, 6'6" door opening. And how did you do that, you say? I show you. Check this out. Oh yeah, this is the Stanley door opener, a whole 9 yards. Yeah, there's the bike. So, open sesame, bitch. Check it out. So there you go. I know it's hard to see right now, but there. There's the track for the right side. There's the track for the left side. And then there's the door opening. Check this out. I know she's off a little bit. I'll have to tweak it down the road. But for now, it's working, so I'll tweak that side, left-hand side. Now watch this. This is what makes it all worthwhile. Watch the top panel. Yeah. I don't know, it just clears. I mean, we're talking probably less than an inch. And 2 spots on the door. I'm gonna check it out from the outside. Hang on a minute. Let me grab my remote. Watch that top panel again. That son of a bitch works like a dream. Just like advertised. So the right side's got to come down a little. Okay, that'll be down the road. Don't want to do it right now because I'm tired. But I'll see it from the outside now. Yeah, she's off a bit. See how she's got grease marks on the top panel? That's how close it is. No. But nothing is level, nothing is even. So. Alright, yeah. Yeah. Actually, the right side should come down more. But, well, this has been a project and a half. But it's worth it now. Now we're all done. And shout out to a couple of buddies of mine. Mikey, mechanic there. I won't give you his last name because I think he wants to remain anonymous, witness protection or some damn thing. I don't know. And Gapper, guy I ride with. You've seen this, what is it called? Amber Whiskey Street Glide. So for the most part, yeah, calling it a day, going in. It's getting muggy and hot. I do not have air in the garage. That might happen down the road. No, it will never happen down the road. I got heat. That's all that matters in the wintertime. There we go. Ah, that works. I do have a weather stripping that I haven't put up yet, so, but yeah, it's gonna work just fine. Look at that. Okay. As my usual, come outside and say goodbye.